Welcome to Day 10 of our Microsoft Copilot Transformation Roadmap. Today, we're focusing on document creation in Microsoft Word, specifically how you can generate professional documents using natural language. We call this vibe creation. It's a simple process. You provide the instructions in your own words, and the AI handles the content generation for you. To get started, simply open Microsoft Word. You'll see the Copilot icon right in your ribbon. Just click it to bring your AI assistant to life. Once clicked, the Copilot pane will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where your dedicated AI assistant resides, ready for your input in the chat box. Never struggle with a blank page again. You can ask Copilot to draft new text for anything from business proposals to project outlines, and it will generate the content instantly. To get the best results, use the perfect prompt formula. Combine your request with the target audience, preferred format, and tone. A clear, detailed prompt leads to a great output. Copilot doesn't just create, it refines. Simply highlight existing text and ask Copilot to make it more concise, change the tone, or rewrite sections to better fit your needs. Need a quick breakdown? Copilot can take long, complex reports and transform them into clear, actionable, bulleted summaries in seconds. You can even reference other files directly. By typing a / in the chat box, you can search for and link your Excel budgets, PowerPoint decks, or other documents to inform your new draft. It's important to know the boundaries. Copilot excels at drafting and summarizing, but the human remains responsible for factual research, tone refinement, and the final polish of your document. That wraps up Day 10. Remember, use Copilot to draft, edit paragraphs, and summarize your documents to streamline your workflow.